One spark, one flame, one overlooked combustible. That's all it takes to turn routine construction work into a devastating fire. Welding, cutting, grinding, brazing, these tasks get the job done, but they also create serious fire and injury risks when hot work isn't controlled properly. That's why hot work safety on construction sites isn't optional, it's critical. Welcome to the Hot Work for Construction online training course by OSHA Outreach Courses. This course is designed to help construction workers, supervisors, and fire watchers understand how hot work creates hazards and how those hazards are controlled through planning, permits, and safe work practices. In just 16 minutes, this course delivers essential awareness that helps prevent fires, injuries, property damage, and job site shutdowns. Inside this course, you'll learn what qualifies as hot work and why these activities require special procedures on construction sites. You'll gain insight into how sparks, slag, heat, and molten metal can ignite materials far beyond the immediate work area, including hidden combustibles, wall openings, floors, ducts, and lower levels. The course explains why hot work areas must be evaluated and prepared in advance, including moving or protecting combustibles, ensuring fire protection equipment is ready, and confirming that conditions are safe before work begins. You'll also learn why trained fire watchers are essential not just during hot work, but after work stops, when smoldering fires are most likely to start. Most importantly, the training builds awareness around shared responsibility from management and permit authorizers to hot work operators and fire watchers, ensuring everyone understands their role in preventing fires. Hot work fires are fast, destructive, and often preventable. This course helps you recognize hot work fire hazards early, reduce ignition and explosion risks, protect workers, equipment, and structures, prevent costly property damage and downtime, support OSHA-aligned construction fire safety practices. Safe hot work protects lives and keeps projects moving. Once you complete the course, you'll receive your certificate of completion, demonstrating your understanding of hot work safety awareness for construction environments. Reduce hot work fire risks, improve construction site safety, and protect workers with fast, effective OSHA-aligned hot work safety training. To enroll now, simply click the link in the description and sign up for the course.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.